Welcome to Business Plan Templates. We're a team of business plan writers specializing in the creation of investor-level business plan templates. We offer high-quality documents in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to help start your business. Our documents and our products have helped thousands of entrepreneurs realize their dreams of starting a business. Our plans are what we term a hybrid document. This is between a sample and a template. The majority of the writing is complete and will only require minor modification on your end, such as typing in your company name, management team, etc. You see, we understand how time-consuming it can be to sit down and write a business plan from scratch. We also know that hiring a business planning company can be expensive. That's why we created our hybrid business plan documents. Each business plan template is uniquely crafted to be industry specific. Our documents are very intuitive, giving you the ability to rapidly customize them for your specific business venture. Save time and money by utilizing the research, writing, and financial modeling our team has already done.